Little storyteller.
Coral, a bubbly pink mermaid with a crown of tiny sparkling seashells, smiled at her underwater audience. "Welcome, sea stars, to the Shipwreck treasure hunt," she announced, her voice like gentle sea foam. Today's players were Ollie the octopus, with his 8 wiggly arms, and Finley the fish, who had bright blue and yellow stripes. Before them lay a pretend shipwreck, covered in soft green seaweed and colorful coral. "Our first riddle," Coral giggled, holding up a scroll made of smooth white stone. "I have 8 arms and love to play hide and seek. Who am I?" Ollie wiggled all his arms excitedly. "Me! Me! I'm Ollie the octopus!" he exclaimed. "That's right," Coral cheered. "Now your clue is look where shiny coins often gleam." Ollie zoomed towards a treasure chest overflowing with sparkling gold doubloons. Finley the fish received the next riddle. "I swim with fins and have scales so bright. Who am I with stripes of yellow and white?" Finley swished his tail. "That's easy. It's me, Finley." Coral smiled. "Your clue, Finley, is seek where colorful flowers of the sea gently sway." Finley swam towards a patch of soft, waving anemones. Hidden near the treasure chest, 3 sleepy electric eels wiggled. If Ollie touched them, they would give him a ticklish surprise. Ollie carefully used one of his arms to lift a shiny trinket from the chest. Suddenly, a little eel brushed against his arm. Ollie giggled and wiggled. "Hee hee, that tickles!" The eels just blinked their sleepy eyes. Near the anemones, Finley found a small, colorful seashell. Another sleepy electric eel was curled around it. As Finley reached for the shell, his fin brushed the eel. "Tee-hee! Oh, that's so ticklish!" Finley giggled, carefully taking the seashell. The eel just yawned. Ollie and Finley swam back to Coral, each holding their treasure. "You both found the treasures." Coral clapped her hands. "But wait, there's one more surprise." Behind her a big clam opened, revealing not gold but 2 sparkling friendship bracelets made of tiny pearls. Coral gave one to Ollie and one to Finley. "The real treasure is friendship," she said, smiling. Ollie and Finley put on their bracelets and grinned at each other. It felt good to share the fun and be friends.
Please subscribe. Thank you.